Data quality is already affecting our life on a daily basis. Whether this is the quality of an app on our phones that tells us where to go and whether the road is currently blocked, or this is a government making decision about economic policies based on current unemployment figures. Every step of the way, data are involved and we rely on them of being of good quality. My name is Frauke Kreuter. I'm a professor at LMU and part of the Munich Center for Machine Learning team, and I focus on social data science and AI. So in machine learning systems, we always try to fit the data we have perfectly, right? There are benchmarks that are used so that the companies or the researchers that build machine learning systems can hit, and the idea is, or the goal is to hit them perfectly. It means that you can train a system to predict an outcome perfectly. However, if the data it's trained on is not perfect, we are predicting the wrong thing. This is a problem because until we are then in real life and encounter different circumstances, we wouldn't know, And we see this both in the situation of self-driving cars, or this can be a facial recognition system that encounters people it has never seen and therefore can't recognize them and unlock their phone or let them onto an airplane or whatever the situation might be in which this facial recognition system is used. Of course, first we have to recognize there is even a problem. And so a lot of the machine learning research that we see also at MCML is to develop ways how we can see whether or not an algorithm makes equally good predictions across all parts of the population. And if not, create ways algorithmically to tailor the predictions so that different sets of data are emphasized more strongly for certain parts of the population than for others. We do really need to internalize the possibility that these systems could be flawed and that we create processes to enable individuals or entirely groups to object and say, wait a second, let's test, let's reevaluate, is this really how we want to do this? And I really hope we find more and more ways to integrate knowledge from different scientific fields, from different backgrounds, that come from different places, that have different characteristics, so that we can build these machine learning and AI systems in a better way. And I'm delighted to see so many different people already being interested in the Munich Center for Machine Learning. And if we continue on this path, I think we can make a real impact.